Hey friend, welcome back to Car Quiz. Guess the car brand and logo in just 10 seconds. Let's begin. Anyone know what car this is? It's Rolls-Royce. What car is this and what happened? It's Mercedes-Benz. Do you know what car this is? It's Chevrolet. What kind of this car? Anyone know? It's Range Rover. What kind of this car? Anyone know? It's Range Rover. Any idea what car this is? It's Ford. Anyone know what car this might be? It's Audi. Anyone know what car this might be just by looking at it? It's BMW. Can anyone tell what car this is from its looks? It's Mercedes-Benz. Does anyone recognize this car by its appearance? It's Toyota. Any idea what car this is? It's Range Rover. What car could this be? It's BMW. Can anyone tell what car this is just by how it looks? It's Tesla. All right, next challenge. Show me what you've got.
3, 2, 1!
Correct. 1938 Volkswagen Beetle, Germany. If you know the model, drop it in the comments. It's a, you tell me in the comments. Anyone know what car this might be? It's a Chevrolet Corvette. Anyone know what car this might be just by looking at it? It's a McLaren.
Alright, this one you've got 10 seconds.
3, 2, 1.
Nice, it's a Range Rover.
Anyone know what car this might be just by looking at it? It's a Porsche. Can anyone tell what car this is from its looks? It's a Ferrari. Can anyone tell what car this is from its looks? It's a BMW.
Can you guess what model this is?
Does anyone recognize this car by its appearance? It's a Ferrari. Any idea what car this is? It's a Lamborghini. What car could this be? It's a Ferrari. Any idea what car this is? It's a Koenigsegg. Any idea what car this is? It's a Lamborghini.
Thank you for watching the video until the end. I hope you got all the cars right.